The Vivo V27e is a smartphone designed for a seamless mobile experience. It supports GSM, HSPA, and LTE networks, ensuring reliable connectivity. With sleek dimensions of 162.5 by 75.8 by 7.7 mm and a lightweight construction of 185 grams, it offers comfortable handling. The Vivo V27e features a 6.62-inch AMOLED display with a high 120Hz refresh rate, providing smooth visuals. The screen offers a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, resulting in sharp and vibrant imagery. Running on the Android 13 operating system with the FunTouch 13 user interface, the Vivo V27e is powered by the MediaTek MT8781 Helio G99 chipset. Its octa-core CPU and Mali G57 MC2 GPU deliver efficient performance for everyday tasks and graphics-intensive applications. The device offers ample storage options, with 128GB or 256GB internal storage and 8GB or 12GB of RAM. It also supports expandable storage via a microSD card slot. For photography, the Vivo V27e features a triple rear camera setup, including a 64 megapixels primary camera with PDAF and OIS for sharper images. It also includes a 2 megapixels macro lens and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. The front-facing camera is 32 megapixels and supports HDR. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC with an embedded secure element. The device incorporates sensors such as an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. To keep you powered, the Vivo V27e is equipped with a non-removable 4600 mAh battery that supports 66W wired charging, providing fast charging capabilities. In summary, the Vivo V27e offers a sleek design, a vibrant display, capable cameras, efficient performance, and fast charging.